Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify with Pinterest easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Shopify with Pinterest, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. In the Apps section, click on Visit Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to type Pinterest and hit Enter. Locate the Pinterest app in the search results and click on it. Next, select the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to log into your Pinterest account. Enter your Pinterest email and password, then click Login. Once logged in, authorize Shopify to connect with your Pinterest account. After authorization, select the relevant Pinterest business account if prompted. Continue by agreeing to the terms and conditions. The app will now guide you through setting up your Pinterest for Shopify. You can select Install Pinterest tag to track conversions from your store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the tag correctly. Once the tag is installed, proceed to sync your product catalog. Select the products you want to feature on Pinterest from your Shopify store. Click on Sync to start uploading your product catalog to Pinterest. Review the products to ensure everything appears as expected. After syncing, check your Pinterest account to see your products list. You can create Pinterest boards for your products to enhance visibility. Explore the advertising features to promote your products. Finally, monitor the performance of your pins through the Pinterest Analytics section. You are now successfully connected to Pinterest from your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.